So now we will finally going to install that plugin. So that plugin, as you all know, that is WP Rocket plugin. So what we need to do is that we need to first of all purchase that tool. Okay, so you just need to write here my dash link dot in slash, you have to write WP Rocket, ROCKET. Okay, so you have to write this URL. Make sure everything is in small and then click on enter. So you will go to WP Rocket website, and from here guys, you simply need to go to buy WP Rocket, and you can see we have plenty of tools. So whatever tool you want to go with, you can go with that. So for example, single will going to cost you $50 per year for one website. So you can see if you will purchase it for your one website, so you will going to get update and support for this website. Okay, if you will take plus plan, so you will going to use this plugin in 3 websites, and in infinite you can use this plugin in unlimited websites. So in case if you have plenty of websites, 5 to 6 to 10 websites maybe, so this plan is very much useful for you. Just buy one time, sorry, per year, right? So you have to purchase it per year, then you can run actually for unlimited websites. But most of the people go with single, so it's totally up to you according to your need. You can just choose the plan, and then you can take that thing. Okay, so just click on, for example, buy WP Rocket, and then just put your email, first name, country, company name, and whatever card name, and then just click on place order. You can also pay with PayPal as well. So it's it's totally up to you guys. Whatever you want to go with that, you can just go with that. Okay, it has a very good you know uh, you can see reviews. It has 5 stars, so it's totally up to you. You also have 14 days money back guarantee, so there's no fear that it will not going to work. So just buy it, and after you will buy it, at very top of the website you will start going to see account, and from there you can download it. Or also when you will going to buy, it will automatically going to give you option to download. So I have already purchased. Okay, so when you will actually going to buy this plugin, so in your computer, for example, if you're a Mac user, so go to Finder, click on downloads, then here you will see WP Rocket plugin. Okay, if you are a window user, so just go to my computer download, and you will see this plugin. Okay, so guys, after you will purchase it, you just simply need to go to plugins, then click on add new, and after that you need to click on this upload plugins, click on choose file, and this was the plugin. So just select this plugin, click on open, click on install now. Then you will see this option of activate plugin. So make sure you click on this activate plugin option. So after you will click on activate plugin, so you will see that that plugin will be installed. So you can see WP Rocket is successfully installed. Okay, and you can see this plugin in the settings and WP Rocket. Just click on settings and WP Rocket. So from here you can see this plugin. Okay, so you can see this is a plugin. So just you know uh, cut off all the notifications. So you can see whatever license you will going to purchase it, it will going to show here, and when it will going to expire it will going to show up here. Okay, so according to plan which you will going to purchase from WP Rocket, it will going to show you this thing. Okay, so it's totally up to you. So this was the thing guys, how you can install WP Rocket in your WordPress website.